Hello guys, good evening. Today is on a Friday evening. So guys, I'm taking you through my kitchen garden. I planted some spinach, onions, spring onions and some kales. So it's my turn now to water the garden in the evening. Yeah, so if you're new, my name is Adija. I'm a mom of three. It does content basically on homemaking. So today, consider subscribing. Feel most welcome to my channel, and remember to give this video a like and tell me what you think about your kitchen garden. If you stay in your own compound, you should not miss a kitchen garden. So no more talking, just see what I did. And so guys, I passed in the market and I got some chicken and our 2 weeks meat. So I was restocking our meat, you guys. Here I usually get around 2,000 a meat for 2,000 shillings, and then one chicken. We are not fan of chicken in this house, so that meat I'm going to portion it, and then guys, I'm going to restore it in the fridge. It would last for 2 weeks because you can't take a red meat like every day. So that is what I'm doing there, just portioning and just going to freeze it in our fridge. And then guys, it's time to prepare our dinner. So there I'm going to make chicken stew. Yeah, so stay tuned and see how I did to the chicken. Yeah, I'm not a fan of chicken myself, but I usually just love my kids because they love. So for me, no, but I usually just have like chicken once in a week or twice in a month in this house. So I usually boil the chicken and then I just fry it, and then I put some tomato sauce, just simple. Yeah, so that can be delicious. So that is what I did this evening in my house, guys. So remember to subscribe to this channel if you are new to my channel, and consider sharing me out if you can, and tell me what you think about this evening slow living vlog in my home. Now guys, it's time to make our evening juice. So we are making pineapple juice and some mangles, yeah, for our dinner. And on the other side, I'm preparing pilau, Swahili pilau, guys. Yeah, so here is a home of recipes, a home of healthy foods. Yeah, so if you're new, kindly subscribe, tell me what you think about this channel. Remember to comment a positive one, and always support me by watching my videos, guys. Yeah, so that is what we are doing this evening. It's just a calm, a peaceful evening in this homestead, guys. That is my daughter who is making the juice as I'm doing other tasks, guys. Yeah, so yeah, that is how our simple slow living evening in this house on a minimum budget. Yeah, and now I want to I boiled the meat using the pressure cooker. So guys, I'm just going to remove the meat from that pressure cooker. It's ready for cooking our pilau, and stay tuned and see what I did and what made a delicious evening dinner for my family, guys. And guys, now it's time to make our guacamole. Yeah, so for our guacamole, we have avocados. There are so many plenty avocados in our market, so it's time and season for a guacamole, guys. Tomatoes and onions are being sold at a fair price. So for our pilau, we are going to have our guacamole as our kachumbari. Yeah, and that's what we are preparing right there. So guys, the dinner is ready, and that is what I served to my family: pilau, some cooked kachumbari, and guacamole, guys. So that is what I served my family. As you know, I usually love just preparing a delicious meal for my family, and a juice, and there's a glass of a juice over there, guys. Yeah, after a whole tiresome week, I usually just love on Fridays to come and cook delicious meal for them. Till the next video. Bye, lovelies.